your friends married?
They got really married already. They have kids and they are making the family as well. Sometimes it just put me pressure, you know.
How would you describe like the culture? Like from what I know, family is first. Like I guess does your whole family live together? Like did you have your grandparents in the same home and your mom and your dad? Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, we have 5 brothers and 1 sister.
Ah, only one sister, one girl.
Yeah, 1 girl.
Mama's favorite?
100%. I do love my mother better than any other things. No way. No way.
Is your sister your mom's favorite or no?
I do think yes. I do think yes.
Yeah, the only girl.
Yeah.
So you all live together? Got you. And your grandparents did they too before?
Yeah, but
That was just grandma, you said.
from my dad's side, we don't get either one grandfather, grandmother. But from my mom's side, I got my grandmother, but she lost her life by 2013 maybe.
Yeah. It's so hard. Death is so hard.
100%. Yeah.
I think I'm like not that bad at dealing with it, but yeah, I don't know. Just this morning I was just feeling so many feelings for my mom because of all the loss in a short amount of time. I kind of lived with my grandparents too, but that's not common in the US. People usually send their grandparents to like a nursing home when they get old.
Yeah. Look, it's raining. It's raining like cats and dog, and we are really so concerned about this matter. In this year, it's been really so horrible weather.
Extra intense, right?
Yeah, it's still raining. I think we may get. Look, my anticipation, I may get lost my electricity within a few minutes most possibly because we get really load shedding.
They do that in your country too?
Yeah.
Wow. I learned about this in South Africa.
When I speak with anyone, my bird just come close to me.
Nice. What's your bird's name?
Tweety.
Like from Looney Tunes.
Yeah, but this bird, my bird's name was kept by an American. I love my bird.
I love that your bird is trying to eat your bird.
Yeah. Tweety, come on. Look at what you see. You see, I love my bird.
I wish I had a pet.
Yeah, I am teaching my bird how to speak like a human. They can speak like a human as well.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Does your bird speak Bengali or English?
I hope my bird would learn how to speak English as well because I'm a social influencer also, and I teach English. And at the same time, why not my bird? I also just teach my bird how to speak English.
You teach English in Bangladesh?
Yeah, on the social media, but that's not my business as well. But with my interest, I started content creation.
So you guys live in like a rural area?
Yeah, rural area.
Or that's amazing that you found Vigo. I think our lives couldn't be more different.
Yeah, but
I live in the middle of New York City.
100%. You know what? Look at that. My bird just came to
wow.
came on my head. If I could talk to you during our daytime, I would show our village area, around of my yard. And did you see my farm? Maybe no, right? Maybe no. I have lots of chicken.
What, son?
My chicken farm.
Oh, cool.
It's indigenous
That's
chicken
cool.
farm.
That's awesome. Is that what your family does? They like sell chickens or like eggs?
Basically, my intention is to sell them as well. But at the same time, we support for my family also. Like we don't really buy chicken from the market. Instead, we eat from my farm.
That's